Alright guys, so we're back again with the 250. We're gonna finish up winterizing it today and bring it down to the sheds tomorrow. We have to put in new transmission oil and we'll get it all shined up and ready for storage. So let's get that box open. Alright, so we got the Honda Racing transmission oil, 80W, 85W. Online it says that it takes 0.75 quarts of this oil, so we'll put in like 3/4 of this bottle and we'll make sure all the levels are correct and then get the bike all cleaned up for tomorrow and then we'll take it down to the sheds. Alright, so with these bottles you gotta take this off and then cut off this tip part so you can pour it into your bike. And there's this little plug right here that we got to put back in. It's a 10mm Allen heads. It goes right here. Make sure it's all snug. The oil cap is right here. Then we're take it out. All right, so we have 1 quart in this bottle. We're gonna put in 3/4 of it. Forgot to take off this little plastic part right here, paper part. Okay, now we're all set to pour it into the bike. Go right here. Perfect. Right at 3/4. There we go. All right, so we're gonna get the bike outside and take some good photos of it, a little bit of a montage, and I'll catch back with you guys tomorrow.
Ay, give me the chip, I need the championship. Wait, we got a dream, next to the team, yeah, we can handle it. Wait, soon as I go and I step in arenas, they call me the champ. They know what it is, know what I do, know who I am, who don't understand. Yeah, that's overdue. My trophy say that's overdue. My ring said to be immortalized. Yeah, they know it's true. They couldn't walk a mile or even fit into my shoes. Still I got a lot to prove, but for all that we've been through, this overdue. This the anthem. Pull up and you know the team is strong. This your anthem. All my underdogs. Everybody get your hands up. Sometimes it's hard, but we made it through. We were struggling for a minute, so that winning overdue. Yeah. They know.
All right, guys, it's another day. We're gonna get the hitch hauler on the back of the truck, get the bike loaded up, and bring it down to the sheds, maybe rip it around for a little bit, and get it put away for the winter. So I'll get back to you once I get that on. Alright guys, made it to the shed, so we're gonna get the bike unloaded real quick and then get to some riding. Alright guys, so we got the 250 warming up, started up in a few kicks. A little cold outside, but it's not too bad, so rip it around here a little bit, maybe out in the field, and then we'll put it away. I'll get back to it. Alright guys, so this is the 250. It's been a minute since I've rode it. It's all warmed up now, so let's see how this goes. acceleration. Oh yeah. Warm it up right here. Man, it's been a minute. And it's got nice brakes too. Bit of upgrade from the pitter. Let's see. That is a fun bike. There's so much power behind it. Forgot what I was missing out on. This feels a little more bumpy this year. Okay, I don't want to run over any pipes now. That'd be the last thing I want to do. Man, it pops up so easy, I don't want to endo it. Like fourth gear. It just cruised over top of that field. That's a rough field too. There we go. That popped the front tire up a lot. I am not comfortable with wheelies yet on this bike though. That's for sure. Forgot about how fun this thing was. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this thing's definitely a lot of fun. This next summer we're going to take it out and do some more trail riding, maybe. Definitely gonna hit some more tracks too. And this is a whole different animal. Surprised I haven't ridden this in a while. probably get it put away for the winter, so do like one more lap. Alright, stop it over here. Oh, I need to get my kickstand. Alright, so we just took a quick grip on the 250. Now we're going to get it put away for the winter and get the hitch hauler also put away for the winter. Alright, so we got a little spot right here for the bike. We're gonna put it on the stand for the winter. I just changed all the oil, all the fluids, put seafoam in the gas tank, so it's all good for the winter, it should be. And then we'll see it again next spring coming out at the track and at the riding parks. So yeah, I'll get this in here and then we'll get the hitch hauler also back in a different shed. Well, wrapping up to this week's video, we got the bikes put away, we rode a little bit. Hopefully this next week we can film some different content. Maybe we can get out goose hunting if I can find them, or we'll go do something else. I'll figure it out. We might have to start tearing apart my four-wheeler, which I blew up in a previous video, so that could be it. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.